If you're waiting for hip surgery, where do you go to find out some top tips about what it's like and what people who've had surgery wish they'd done differently? Bear with me and I'll tell you. I manage a Facebook page called Hip Pain and Hip Replacement Advice and Support for patients. I'll put a link to it below. It's got over 5,000 members and it's a great resource if you want to know what other people like you are going through. I thought it would be helpful to look at what the members wish they'd done before surgery so that they were better prepared. Number one is that most people wish they'd made the decision to have surgery much sooner. Why wait? Things are unlikely to get any better and none of us is getting any younger. Obviously, if you're stuck on a waiting list, that's not much consolation. But if you are able to get your operation done sooner, then just go for it. The next top tip from the members is to try and be as positive as possible about surgery. I know it's easier said than done. No one looks forward to having surgery, but keep in mind that for the overwhelming majority of people, within a few weeks, you'll be free of pain and getting on with your life again. What's not to feel good about? Anything else? Well, getting fit and losing weight are both common themes and, of course, excellent advice. The fitter you are before surgery, the quicker you'll get better. Getting to grips with your weight will give you confidence and it will help to reduce the risk of complications. Finally, if you're working, take off as much time as possible after your surgery. This is really important. You'll feel wiped out after surgery, both physically and mentally. Just surrender to it. Don't fight it. No one's indispensable. Your colleagues and bosses will just have to get on with it without you for a few weeks. Can you think of anything else? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to get in touch, the details are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.